Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I know you've seen me in this outfit before. This is part 2 of the full get ready with me, focusing mainly on my eyeshadow look, and this is focusing on the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Aina collaboration. I'm showing you guys how I use this palette to do my eyeshadow and my thoughts and reviews on this palette. So make sure you check out part 1 to see my face, and make sure you check out part 3 to check out my lips eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using the new Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadows, and I know you've seen this all on YouTube, but this video is gonna be a little different because this video is not sponsored. I bought this palette on Ulta and it was expensive, so if you're looking for something affordable, this ain't it, but it's very beautiful. I haven't even ever bought an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is what it looks like. This is gorgeous. This palette was $45. It's a little bit more expensive than the other palettes. There's a mirror, obviously, and you can actually fold it over, and look at these beautiful colors. So I'm gonna swatch some of the matte colors. So I'm gonna swatch Ginger, Edges, Credit, Big Wig, and Pinker. So look at that on my hand. They are so pigmented. So let me swatch them. This is gonna be a bad swatch, but look at the colors. So pigmented. And let me swatch some of the shimmery colors. So I'm gonna swatch Zam, Trust Issues, Dollars, and that's how it's spelled, Dollars with a W, Sponsored, and Lituation. And look at those colors right there. I hope you can see it. Let me swatch them. And look at those colors swatched. They are gorgeous. So I'm gonna prime my eyes. I'm gonna use this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. So I'm gonna just dab some on my eye, and I'm gonna blend it out with this No Name concealer brush. So first I'm gonna go in with this Eco Tools brush. This is the Define Crease brush, and it's just a fluffy brush. And of course we're gonna go into the color Ginger, which is this bottom brown shade, and we're just gonna put that in the crease. And this palette does have fallout, but I mean, eyeshadows do have fallout, so make sure you just tap off the brush before you put it, you know, on your lids. So I'm just going to blend it basically up here, so it's making a crease, if you can tell. And you know, you just build the color up. And then normally when you get a transition color, you can't even see the color, but see how you can see it on my lid. And you just want to go back and forth, windshield wiper motions. Next, I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to go in with, I think for today's look, I'm going to go in with Edges. And this is a more red tone brown. And I'm just going to go a little bit below Ginger and put it into the crease socket. So I'm looking down into my mirror and pressing it into my crease socket. That's the easiest way to find out where your crease is. And I'm just gonna blend that in. And then you add as you go. Then I'm gonna go in with this brush. This is the BH Cosmetics 5 brush, and it's just a fluffier brush. Just another fluffy brush. And I'm going into the color Pinker, which is like this deep, like burgundy color right here. And I'm just gonna go more into the crease. I'm just giving the eye a little bit more dimension. And then I'm gonna go into a clean brush and I'm gonna just go over the edges a little bit of this, just so it doesn't look too harsh. And then I'm actually just gonna go in with my powder foundation, my MAC Studio Fix, and just kind of put this as like a brow bone kind of highlight. And I already did my brows off camera. I used the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in chocolate, and I cleaned up with the Ruby Kisses 3D Face Creator in level 11. If you'd like to see an updated brow routine, please let me know down in the comments. Next, I'm going to go in with a pointed eyeshadow brush, and this is the BH Cosmetic 10 brush. And I'm going into the color Credit, which is right here, which is like a deeper kind of brown color. And I want to like deepen it, but not smoke it up too much. And I'm just going to focus it on the outer corner and add product to, you know, deepen it up as I go. You don't want to start with making it too deep and then you can't blend it away. So I'm just focusing that on the outer corner. Outer corner, and blend it into the crease. So you're basically like just placing the color there. Then I'm gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. It's more slanted, but I just need another fluffy brush. But it's also good to get into the crease, so I'm just gonna blend that. Like I said, I haven't used the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, so I don't know like how the eyeshadows work. But these eyeshadows are beautiful, and I give props to Jackie. I'm gonna put a color on the lid, and I don't know which color to use. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube use like Dollars. Dollars is the gold color, but I feel like gold, you see it in every look. I mean, you kind of seen every look. I'm gonna go in with Sponsored, and I'm gonna pack it on my brush, and just to make it more pigmented, I'm gonna just spray my brush with the Too Faced Hangover X 3-in-1 setting spray, and just, you know, settle it. And then I'm just going to press it onto my lid. And ooh, child, you see how pigmented this color is? And I'm gonna bring it a little bit kind of into my crease, or you won't really see the color when I'm looking straight ahead. And you're just gonna pack and like blend the edges as you pack it. Then I'm gonna go in with a blending brush and just blend out the edges so the edges don't look too harsh. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Zam in the inner corner, because this shit is blinding. How this looks when I spray the brush. Ooh, child. That looks gorgeous. Then lastly, we're going to go in with Credit and just deepen up the outer edge. So that's it for the eyeshadow. So I'm going to line my eyes. And I'm going to be using this new Tarte eyeliner. This is the Tarte's Double Take eyeliner. So it's double-sided. One side has the kohl pencil, and let me just up. I just broke the tip. But this is what it looks like. It's pretty dark. Can't believe I broke the tip. So be careful when you get it. And the other side is a black liner pen. And let me swatch it for you. And that's very dark. Hopefully you can see. So let me see if I can line my eyes in the frame. I'm gonna line my waterline with the other side of the pencil. And that went on really good. Usually, like, when I do the waterline, it doesn't want to show, but that was really good. Next, I'm gonna apply some mascara. I'm gonna be using this Voluminous Butterfly Waterproof Mascara. And I've been loving this lately. And then I'm gonna go apply my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I applied my lashes off camera. I usually use very realistic lashes, like a little bit longer than mine, but I hope you can tell, you know, adds a little, you know, little to the look, you know. But let me sip my water. Yeah, guys, like my cup? Queen of fucking everything. So this is the look with the lashes and everything. Very pretty. So I highly recommend this palette if you have the money to spend on this palette. It's very good for women of color. It has all these beautiful shimmers and wearable looks that you could do with the matte colors, and it has the shimmers for, you know, like a night out. All the colors blend really nicely. There is fallout, so make sure you keep your palette clean, because already mine is a little janky and I just really used it. So that, I would say that's the only bad thing, is it has a lot of fallout, and the price is a little bit more than the other Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadows. But so I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me take my hair down to get that full effect, you know. Have these bitches hating with this highlight. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.